Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Gohar Publishers. Our motto is redefining the geography of education through blended learning. Dear students, आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में हम देखेंगे गौहर कैनमेरी सीरीज में इंग्लिश प्ले ग्रुप में लेटर F. Letter F. The name of the letter is F and its sound is F. Now trace the letter F with your finger. F. Now look at the picture on page number 22. F flower, F fox. Now we will read the story of page number 22. Fifi the fox and the flower. Fifi was a friendly little fox. One sunny morning she found a bright flower. Fifi sniffed it and said, "Wow, it smells so fresh." A tiny butterfly flew by and landed on the flower. Fifi giggled and said, "Hello, little friend." Fifi sat beside the flower, happy and calm. She loved the soft breeze and the pretty colors. Every day after that, Fifi visited her flower and smiled at her new forest friends. Now look at the page number 23. We have two pictures. F flower, F flower, F flower, F fox, F fox. Now say and trace with your finger. Now place the finger on letter F and yes, down the line, top and mid, no bottom line, F is it. Down the line, top and mid, no bottom line, F is it. Down the line, top and mid, no bottom line, F is it. Now we will do STEAM activities. Now dear students, take a tub, fill that tub with water and put different objects in it like feather, fork, fruit, block and explore what floats and what sinks. यानी कि कौन सी चीज़ तैरती है और कौन सी चीज़ डूब जाती है. Now technology में use your mobile, take picture of each object, make a chart and write float or sink in front of that chart. Engineering, make a flower with the paper or tissue paper. Art and craft में हम क्या करेंगे? We will decorate a flower or color the flower. Maths magic में now look at the picture on page number 23. We have a yellow flower and we will count how many petals the yellow flower has. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many petals? 6. I hope आपको वीडियो लेसन पसंद आया होगा. एक नए वीडियो लेसन के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.